So we came here thinking that there was a waterfall.
Cô thích cô trôi này.
Ở trong vùng hai vùng kia. Lôi tắc tắc mấy khác. Thay mấy.
So we came here thinking that there was a waterfall, and yeah, this is all there is because it's been dry.
Why are you vlogging?
What? What you want?
What?
What? Mình là mình chụp ảnh. raining right now, so this is what I look like this. I'm trying to get away from the rain and foggy. Yeah, so I just want to show you guys where I stayed last night. It's alright, it's pretty nice. So this is the outside. It's by this it's not a river, a stream, a bigger one. Oh, it's foggy enough. Yeah, so it's here, and this is where we stay. A little like bungalow hut thing. Now let's go inside. There's 2 beds. Oh my god. Okay, there's 2 beds here, a mini fridge here, a little rack where you put your stuff in, and this is the bathroom with a toilet, sink, and a shower. Yeah, it's very simple, but very nice as well. It was very cold last night, so it's called Resort at Serembal, and there's some like huts there where you can eat by the water. You can also bring your own food, and it is free of charge, because usually hotel charges you if you bring your own food in, but here you don't, and they can help you like cook it up in case you bring some raw meats and stuff like that. So yeah, it was good. It was good.
Okay.